video I am going to show you how to fix black screen error in OBS display capture in a Windows PC. As you can see, when I open my OBS software it only shows blank black screen. To fix this, close OBS software. Right-click on the desktop and go to Display Settings. From there, select Graphics Settings. Select Browse and find the OBS software. If you don't know where is it installed, just go to Start menu and find the OBS software from the list. Right-click on that and select More. Select Open File Location. This is the place where Start menu items are located, not the actual program. Again, right-click on the shortcut and select Open File Location. Click here or copy the file address. Paste it in here. Press Enter and select the program, it is OBS in this case. Then click the Add button. Click on the Options button and select the Power Saving option as you just record the screen. Select High Performance if you record gameplays. Then click on Save. And it is all done. Close the graphics settings and open the OBS software and check. Now it should be working. If you find this is helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you for watching.